Hello friends, this is storyteller Rajeshwari welcoming you to your favorite YouTube channel Katha Kingdom by Rajeshwari. Friends, when we are kids, people ask us, what do you want to become when you grow up? And we say, I want to become a doctor, an engineer, a lawyer, a policeman, a cricketer, etc. Of course, that is expected to be said by us. But nobody expects us to say, or we never say that when I grow up, I want to become someone who is helpful, who is loved by all, who is true, who is trustworthy. Okay, I know. Now you will say, enough of philosophy for today. Now quickly tell us the meaning of the word trustworthy. So, trustworthy means a person who is true, one on whom we can believe, one who is there for us, who is honest. हिंदी में हम इसे भरोसेमंद कहते हैं. So now, let me tell you the story of a deer and a fox. Once, in a jungle, there lived two friends, a crow and a deer. They were very good friends and spent a lot of time together. One day, a fox came there and saw the deer. He thought to himself, oh, this deer looks delicious. Um, I must do something and fool this deer, and then I'll kill it and eat it. So the fox went near the deer and said, oh dear, how are you? Would you like to become my friend? You see, I'm new here. The deer said, oh, why not? I love making friends. So come, join us. But the crow was doubtful. He said to the deer, "Cow, don't do this. Fox is not a trustworthy animal. He will kill you." The deer said, oh no, please don't say like that. I'm sure he's a very nice animal and he'll become good friends with us. On this, the fox said, yes, you are right. I also want to become friend with you. Come with me. I will show you one place. It has got delicious green plants. You will love that place. The deer was ready to go, but the crow still warned the deer. No, don't go, don't go. But the deer was not ready to listen to the crow, and he went with the fox. The fox took the deer to one farm. It was a very green farm, but the farmer there had put a trap, a net, to catch those animals who enter that farm. And as the deer went inside the farm, he was caught in the trap. Then the fox thought to himself, yeah, my plan has worked. Now I will call the farmer, tell him an animal has been caught in your net. The farmer will come and kill the deer and then I can eat him easily without any trouble. Thus the fox went in search of the farmer, and just then the crow came there. He knew that his friend, the deer, must be in some danger, and he was right. Seeing the crow, the deer was very happy. Oh, I'm so sorry, oh crow. I did not listen to you. The fox has fooled me, and now I am caught in this net. The crow said, don't worry. Now listen to me and do whatever I say. Okay, said the deer. And then the crow told the deer to act as if he is dead. The deer could not understand this, but he listened to his friend and did just as his friend had told him. He acted as if he was dead. Just then the farmer came there and saw, this deer is already dead, so I don't have to worry. And he removed the net from that deer. As soon as the farmer removed the net, the crow told the deer, deer, wake up and run as fast as you can. And the deer woke up and started running very, very quickly. Seeing this, the farmer got angry. He picked up a huge rock and threw it at the deer. But the deer was running very fast. So instead of hitting the deer, the rock hurt the fox who was also there. And the fox died. So friends, this story was about trust, about being trustworthy. The crow was right. He was true. He was a trustworthy friend. So we also should try to become like that crow. And also remember, every person who speaks very sweetly with you is not trustworthy. So do not quickly believe those people who speak sweetly like that fox in the story. That's all for today from my side. Until next video. Bye.